Assalamu alaikum, dear audiences. Thank you very much, and again welcome to my YouTube channel English Practice with Selim Reza. Dear viewers, I hope that all you are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Again, I came with another topic, with another new video in English. Dear viewers, again thank you very much for your nice support. You are continuing watching my channel. You are responding with attention, with love and care. So I welcome all of you again, and I hope that you are also benefited, you are also delighted, you are getting amusement or enjoyment through my channel, and that is my ultimate expectation. And Alhamdulillah, I am also enjoying in English. Dear viewers, you know that there are many ways of learning every language or many things. There are definite ways and strategies. So, listening, that means listening something is a special feature of becoming successful in English. So we have to be careful about listening skill. The more we listen, the more we become successful. Dear viewers, I have come with a topic. The subject matter is not happy matter, it is very sad matter, but I have chosen it to discuss because I think it is very important international issue, that is the illegal aggression of Israeli occupation force, especially on the innocent people of Palestine and also in Lebanon. You know that after the October conflict, 7 October conflict in last year 2023, Israeli forces, IDF, Israel Defense Force, conducted a full force invasion in Palestine, especially in Gaza. Gaza is a stripe. Dear viewers, for about 1 year, it has been continuing unimaginative torture on the innocent people of Gaza. Palestinian people are suffering so brutally, so seriously they are suffering. There is no language that is enough to describe their suffering. But the world is silent. The countries of the world are not vocal against the illegal aggression of the Israeli force. And they have been doing this for about 70 years. Dear viewers, you also noticing that for several days, IDF continuing full bombardment on the settlement of Lebanon. The city of Beirut is about to destruction. We have to think about all the matters because we can deny it, we cannot deny it. There is direct impact of every war or conflict upon us. We have to think from the humanitarian point of view because time is the main factor of judgment. We also suffered a lot during 1971 by the Pakistani occupation forces. They continued brutal operation on the innocent people of Bangladesh. And now many people are suffering around the world. So we have to be sympathetic with them. We have to raise our voice against any injustice. Then I think injustice will not be able to come over us, upon us. So dear viewers, I think already you are aware of the fact, and we will pray to Almighty Allah so that He might give the strength to the innocent people of Palestine and Lebanon to be resilient and to make great effort and to become struggling, and they must have the courage to fight against the illegal occupation. And again, thank you all for being with my channel. Please subscribe my channel, and you will also follow my Facebook page with the same name, English Practice with Salim Raza. Thank you very much.